So guys, these are the ancient walls of Akko. Today is Akko Tourism Day. These walls, you can actually walk on top to see a better view of the city. Let's see what is here. Let me just do a little hike to get to the top. How thick the wall is. So now, hiking time. Let's begin our ascent to the walls of Akko. I think this path here is the original path from that time where I'm walking right now. A new one. This was where the knights stood to protect and guard the city of Akko. Here we are. Whew. And you can see the Mediterranean Sea over there. I told you it was a defensive spot to watch against invaders and Crusaders. See, this is Cannon. Actually going to places I shouldn't, but that's the fun of adventuring. so that you can boldly say I visited the site. I was here. Woo! That is Haifa, and this is Akko. Let's see, I can still go up higher. Wow. So you can see how thick this fortress was. Akko was really fortified, no doubt. Everything that happened here in Akko, it's because of the presence of the Mediterranean Sea, because every world power as at then were fighting for strongholds, and Akko at that point in time was one of the strongest strongholds in this region. So that's why the Turkish wanted a piece of it. Constantinople, Saladin, at their own times, they wanted to control Akko. No wonder it was very fortified. But no matter how fortified a place is, if it was meant to fall, it will surely fall. This is still part of the wall I'm walking on. So you can understand, in order for you to have, penetrated this city, the cannons you have or you fire should be greater than the cannons you see in here. So you have to think of your own war strategy to capture this place. That is history, my guys. History. So I'm gonna be going down now. I know this place will be very beautiful at night. Very soon the sun is going to be setting. It's going to start getting dark. We're still in winter. I think this is where the watchman will sit to watch over the city of Akko and to watch for invaders. So now I'm descending. Stick. If it's raining, I'm already here will be very slippery. Okay, I'm down. Brothers and sisters, I think this comes to the end of my tour, as in for today in the city of Akko. There are so many places to visit. We still haven't seen the night's pool. In fact, a lot of places all in this region, but we came late, and where we were at that nice hall, I think we spent there plus minus 2 hours. If it was summer, we would have, visited other places, because in summer, before it starts getting dark, would be around 8 p.m. But in few minutes, it will be dark soon. Since we don't want to drive in the dark, so we better start going. Here is called the Moat Garden. And our papa, just the roll with him thing, they go to send anybody. So bye bye to the city of Akko until I visit you once again.